bright in a while. Wrist. Even days you mad at me, you don't wanna give me clarity. A testament to your character. On your birthday you told me to donate money to charity. You have made it sincerity. Ain't got K like Saturday. You tether me when my stress start burying me. You don't wanna take care of me. I'm so gone at conclusion, foregone that confuse you. Wearing war zone is tore long. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready for your bag. Can you comb my hair out so I don't drag? Just my hair rub. I don't wanna mixtape. I just wanna best of. I just wanna get grub from our spot again. But do the odds work in our favor? Stay down. Skate town. Head low and face down like a kennel greyhound. Doing God's work in the devil's playground. Wrist, I never thought it'd be this. I'm jumping out of your arms. I land and fall in the pit. Is this what they call the abyss? I fought and clawed for an inch, turning a miracle mile. I can recall when your lips used to contort into smiles, bright as the sun that's drawn in eclipse. I haven't seen light in a while, hasn't been bright in a while. Wrist. Wish you pick up on my calls. I've been going through withdrawals, trying to take the edge off. I need Novocaine. I've been trying to stand tall. I hope that you stand with me. You know all the greats fall. Shit is all the same. Hot as napalm. Next day, kinda rain. Gotta stay calm. Press play. Put my heart in all of these songs. Display all of these wrongs. Yeah, part of me is gone. And you are a gift in itself, a measure of wealth, the meaning of selfless. I place you over the shelf and hide in pedestals over the belt, the straddle the waist on, no rhymes constellation, observation of you. Here come the truth, I'm most overdue, stuck over you, I've gone under, living proof of God's wonders. Wrist, I never thought it'd be this. I'm jumping out of your arms. I land and fall in the pit. Is this what they call the abyss? I fought and clawed for an inch, turning a miracle mile. I can recall when your lips used to contort into smiles, bright as the sun that's drawn in eclipse. I haven't seen light in a while, hasn't been bright in a while.